Sounds good, Jason.
Awesome, good job.
Lol Paladins donate.
I'll put it to break even. And I close it there. Sorry. It's just one of them days again. I wasn't really talking. Because I'm when I'm trading, innit? I'm just really. I'm not used to this filming my trades. So when I trade, innit, I'm like sat there like really. For me, it's really intense. Yeah, and I do think it's gonna drop more, but I couldn't be arsed with it. For me, it's really intense. That's why I'm really quiet. And I just forget that I'm supposed to be commentating my trades. You know what I mean? I'll be honest, right? I haven't really liked the price action today on both the Nasdaq and the Dow. It's just been ugly. It's just been ugly. I've seen a couple opportunities, right? There was one here which was really nice, which I bottled. Okay, I was filming it, but I just click film, innit? It's just film. I got hours of content of just fuck all happening. So I won't show it all, but there was this one opportunity here. Really nice bull channel, yeah? Sorry. Really nice bull channel here. And if you narrowed it down to the 1 minute, I watched this perfect little doji reverse candle form. Just touched the trend line I drew as well. Should have bought the break of that fucking candle, but I bottled it, innit? And look at it fucking take off. It's typical. I fucking hate trading, but I love it as well. Fucking nearly 40 points I could have got out of that. Anyway, so I've just been watching the price action, and it's just ugly. I hate price action like this, where there's not proper support and resistance. We've had two trend lines today. Absolutely bled at market open. Absolutely bled at market open. And then it's just been ranging since. Now, I don't mind ranging because ranging creates the support and resistance and the liquidity sweeps that I like to trade. Yeah, it's going to drop more. And so I've just been sat there watching it. It's been so fucking boring. It's been the worst price action ever. I thought it might drop more. I should have just held on to it, but I thought I wanted to take my profit. I wanted the horrible price action to be worth it today. And it was, I guess. Hold on, I need to make sure I've closed all my orders. I'd be pissed otherwise. And yeah, luckily we created a bear channel, yeah? As you can see, we've got a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You can also see that a lot clearer on the 1 minute chart, which is where I drew the trend line. It doesn't have to be exact. If you're looking at this like, oh, but that's crossed the line. It doesn't matter. This is like a brief analysis. It doesn't. Price action is never going to be exact. Sometimes it is, then it's fucking lovely, but it's not always going to be exact. It's still slightly lower high, and we're still basically forming the channel, right? Anyway. So I'm monitoring lower high, and it tries to break this high here. Okay, and it fails, reverses back, closes at its lows. Okay, so this candle here is nice on the 1 minute. So I'm waiting for confluence on the 5 minute because I'm not overly sure. I don't want to just go by the 1 minute, right? So I'm waiting for confluence on the 5 minute, which is what we have here in this candle. Right? Very straightforward price action. Yeah, it's breaking down. Where did I close? About here. I bottled it, didn't I? I always bottled it. I closed it. Okay, it hasn't made any more profit yet other than what I took, so we'll see. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about profits you didn't make because you ain't got a fucking crystal ball, have you? How are you supposed to know? Anyway, so I shorted the break of this candle. This reverse candle. I shorted the break of that. Took about 20 points. Closed it about here. Okay? Because why would I close there? Because there is lots of support here. That's why. And it makes sense. I want to take my profits. I don't want to be fucking break even You know what I mean? I'll take my money when I get my money. All right. I'm still trying to build a buffer on the account. Anyway, straightforward trade. We won. I only made $200 on it, but I'm trying to build up a buffer before I increase my risk profile. I'm only trading five micro contracts at the moment. I've got to make $3,000. I've only made about $350, but patience. Yeah, patience. It's the process. I'd much rather make small, consistent profits than have this massive equity curve that's just fucking on a mad one. So I'm happy with that trade. I waited. It's 10-6. There was fucking nothing really. It's horrible price action. So I'm happy to have got a W really, and I think that's the end. Sorry for not commentating during the trade. I was not really paying attention that you guys were watching, and it was intense. And get your nans out. If you got any questions, hit me up. I ain't gonna do any more trades. One trade, one day, boom. Happy with that. We got a W. We move on. I won't be trading tomorrow because I'm going to be in the office. And that's it really. Yeah. I'm going to go now. See you later.